So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a two-dimensional stacked bar chart to your Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I'll do here is I'm just going to add uh, a new slide, a new blank slide just like this. Now, as I mentioned before, how to add a 2D stacked bar chart. Pretty simple. Go to the top, press on chart under 2D. You actually want to use this chart right here. So this chart that is sort of two options down or one option down from the right hand side. You press on this. Now, if you're not really too sure what chart is what, one way to check is just press on the chart right here. Go to the right hand side of your screen, scroll down to where it says chart type. In this case, it is a 2D stacked bar chart, but you can press on this, look at all the different charts at your disposal, and pick whatever one that you're looking for. So very basic, very straightforward. This is how to add a 2D stacked bar chart on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.